second button, this is the third button. This is known as triple button. So if you are buying this share price at 45 naira, you want to take out your profit at 57 naira, or at 75 naira, or at 100 naira, or at 100 naira. All right, this pattern is a sign of strength. So this GT Bank shares is pretty much doing. Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'll be doing technical analysis breakdown on the Nigeria Stock Exchange market. I will share with you my technical breakdown on GT Bank shares, First Bank shares, and Fidelity Bank shares. If you are a Nigeria stock market investor, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment at the comment section. But before we continue, guys, let's look at this company market cap, their revenue, and the income they generate over the years. Okay. Now the coin, this company market cap is 1.3 trillion. The market cap is 1.3 trillion. Their net income is 534.4 billion naira. Their revenue is 744.6 billion naira. So their market cap is a big company, right? 1.3 trillion, almost 1.4 trillion. All right, so that is the market cap. Now let's go to the chart and see what is happening with this company share price. Now I dropped this analysis on my now suspended X account. I think in 2023, when this share price was still trading at 13 naira, yeah. Now on your chart, you can see that this share price formed a pattern that we called triple bottom. All right, a bullish pattern that is called triple bottom. That is the first bottom. Okay, this is the second bottom. All right, and this is the third bottom. Now this is a bullish chart pattern that signals a formation of a new trend, a formation of a bullish trend. All right, this pattern is a bullish trend pattern. It signals a possible bullish trend is about to begin. So that was when I started calling for this GT shares price. That time this coin has not even formed this 50. The current price now is at 45 naira, right? Now when the market broke out of this neckline, this neckline, okay, sorry, this neckline. All right, that was when I started calling for this share price all-time high. All right, the all-time high of this share price is at the all-time high is right here. That is a 57 naira, 57.25 kobo, 57 naira 25 kobo. That is the all-time high. Now believe you me, guys, this pattern is a strong bullish pattern that is signaling a possible buy to the upside. Okay, now this is the first top, this is the first bottom, the second bottom, this is the third bottom. This is known as triple bottom. All right, now you could see how the market break out of the neckline. It retraced back into this neckline to continue this trend. So the next share price on this GT shares right now is 57 naira 25 kobo. That is the next share price of this coin. But if you are buying this share at this place, how you take profit on this market? If you want to take profit on this market, you just measure the distance of this previous low to this recent high. All right, measure this distance, then bring it to this neckline. All right, so you want to take out your profit at 75. You want to take out your profit at 75 to 100 naira. Firstly, you take out your profit maybe at this 57 naira, or this 75 naira, or all the way to this 100 naira. That is how you are timing, your exit from this share price. All right. If you can see, this is the first low of the market. It tests this resistance. It was rejected back before it broke out of this resistance, and it retested it. All right, this is a break and retest. All right, it's a resistance. This is a resistance, that turns support here. So you can see how this market break out of this resistance to retest back on this resistance that now turns support. So when resistance turns support, it's a sign of strength that buyers are ready to push this price higher. And know that the first there is a pattern that is formed, a bullish pattern that is formed also, that is called triple bottom. This is a triple bottom. All right, the first button, second button, this is the third button. This is known as triple button. So if you are buying this share price at 45 naira, you want to take out your profit at 57 naira, or at 75 naira, or at 100 naira, or at 100 naira. All right, this pattern is a sign of strength. So this GT Bank shares is pretty much doing. All right, so on the weekly time frame, guys, let's say you bought these shares at this support level, at the breakout of this weekly bullish engulfing candlestick. Let's say you bought at this place when this market formed this when this market formed this candlestick, bullish candlestick close. Let's say you bought here, so you should be looking at to take out your profit at this all-time high, so your take profit should be at this all-time high of 57 naira 25 kobo. Then your overall take profit can either be on this 75 naira 50 kobo or at this 100 naira. All right, because when this pattern is formed on this monthly time frame or on the weekly time frame, it tells you that this coin is either about to form an all-time high or is either to test the previous high of the market. But believe you me, guys, the way I'm seeing these GT shares, we might see another all-time high of this pair. It's either at 75 naira or at 100 naira. So these are the two areas you should be looking at to take out your profit, either at 75 or at 100 naira. All right, well, this is not a financial advice, right? So if you are investing in stock market, the market involves high volatility. So if you are investing, do your own technical analysis on that currency pair or on that share market you are investing in. All right, whether you trade the forex market, the stock market, the crypto market, all these markets are being manipulated. So technical analysis saves you to know when to buy and know when to sell. So you want to sell at resistance and buy at support. You don't want to be buying high, you want to be buying low and sell high. All right, so yeah, if you are investing in any stock market, in any shares, do your own technical analysis. This is not a financial advice. All right, I'm simply sharing an educative content. So yeah, now let's look at the First Bank company share. All right, so on the First Bank company share, now you can see this First Bank shares just broke out of a key resistance level of this key resistance level of 15 naira. All right, now you see this is a support level. Now a support level is an area where buyers are ready to push the price higher, while resistance is an area where sellers are ready to push the price lower. Now you can see this was a resistance area where sellers push this price lower, and this is a support area where buyers push this price higher. Also, this is a resistance area. You could see this seller push this price lower, and this is also a support area where these buyers push this price higher. All right, now actually I can draw a trend line right here. I can plot a trend line here. All right, so now if you want to find a buy trade right here on this share price, this share, what you might wait to do is you want to wait for this market to test this area. Remember, you don't buy high. All right, you buy low, then you sell high. Okay, now let's say for example you were buying this share price at this this high at 14 naira. Maybe you buy at 14 naira. Now imagine you buy at 14 naira. This area now happens to be a resistance area. Imagine you are buying at this resistance area. Now look at how this market has been deep ever since. So what you want to do is to aim at the nearest support level. You should be looking at to buy at the nearest support level. Okay, now the nearest support level now happens to be this resistance that the market broke. All right, so the market just broke out of this resistance area. So this resistance area might turn support. So what you want to do is to wait for this market to, to push, to pull back, retrace back into the support level. So at this support level, this is the area now where you should be aiming at to buy. And secondly, we don't just buy as support. There are strategy on how to trade at this support. Let's say, for example, you want to buy at this support. If I want to buy at this support now, maybe I will wait. Once this market hits this confluence area, once it hit this support area that happens to be the confluence area, then I'll be looking at to use uh, a weekly bullish engulfing candlestick to buy, to enter this share market. Why? Because this market can just, you can see this, how massive this bearish trend is now, this retracement is now. So this market can just break out of this support area and head back into this next support area. So that is the reason why you don't really buy immediately as support, okay? Because the price can just break out of this support and then head back to this next level of 5 naira. So let's wait and see what happened at this 15 naira, at this support area. Once the market give a weekly bullish engulfing candlestick, then you can buy here, go long here, then your take profit can be at the previous high, or you put your take profit at a round up number of 40 naira. All right, a round up number of 40 naira. So yeah, that is for the first bank market. All right, now let's look at the Fidelity market. Let's look at the Fidelity shares and see what the price action is saying. So the Fidelity share has been trending. All right, you can see this is a bullish trend market. Okay, in this kind of market, what you want to do is to be careful not to buy the high. Remember, we buy low and sell high. All right, we don't sell when the market is already in a bull run. All right, when the market is already buying. So if you want to buy this kind of market now, we identify the nearest where the market might find a possible push to the upside. Okay, now let's go to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I will try to identify a support level where this market might pull into before it continue this trend. All right, so you can see this is a pure bullish trend. All right, a pure bullish trend. So what I will do now is, this is a support level. Okay, this is a resistance level. All right, resistance. I'll just draw my rectangle tool here and change this color. And come here and change this color. Okay, so this is a resistance that turns support. All right, this is also a resistance where this market was rejected from. It's also a resistance, right? It's a resistance where this bearish trend was rejected from. Okay, and this is also a support. So what you do as support, you buy as support, then sell at resistance. So if you are buying here now, if you are buying at this current price of 10 naira 60 kobo, you have to be taking out profit at 14 naira or 13 naira at this resistance. So it's when this market break out of this resistance. It's when this market break out of this resistance. So once this market break out of this resistance, okay, what you want to do is to wait for the market to retrace back into the support. All right, so once the market retrace back into the support, this is the area now where you will now be aiming at to find a buy trade. Okay, so that's why I told you don't just buy as support. So once the market break out of support, you wait for a retracement. At that retracement, at this area is where you now be looking to buy again on this share price. So if you are buying at this current price, so you want to take out your profit at 13 naira. So once this market break out of this resistance, once this share price break out of this resistance of 14 naira, then that is when we'll now be looking at an all-time high of this trade. So we now wait for a retest to find a buy trade. So but this market can just break out of this support level. All right, can just break out of this support level and head down to the downside. So that's why in financial market there is nothing like 100% trading strategy. So once this market break out of this support level, you want to be, that means you are running at losses, you are in losses. Okay, So you want to take out your profit before you want to take out your capital before the stock market will liquidate you. Okay, so yeah, we are currently at a support level. The next level of this market now, it could be 14 era or 13 era. So if you are buying here, it's not a financial advice, right? I'm not advising you to buy, so I'm just sharing you my technical analysis. So if you are buying here, you should be taking out your profit at 14 era or 13 era. So once we break out of this 14 era, once this market break out of this resistance line, so we might see another all-time high of this Fidelity shares. But if we break out of this support, that means Fidelity share is ready to give us a new low of this market. So once we break here, this support level of 8 naira, then we might see another all-time low of this Fidelity share. But if the market is able to sustain this support level, then we might see further upward movement. Might see further all-time high of this share price. Okay, so yeah, if we use this Fibonacci retracement from this swing high, all right, this swinger to the swing low of the market, to the swing low of the market, swing low of this market, swing low of this market, this is swing high, swing low of this market is currently here. Okay, all right, so now you can see this is a first impulse leg. All right, first impulse leg, a retracement into the 50 Fibonacci retracement. So you can see the market retrace into the 50 Fibonacci retracement. So we might see another push, another impulse leg. This is the first impulse leg, right? Let me zoom it out a little bit. This is the first impulse leg of this share price. This is a retracement into the 50 Fibonacci and 60 Fibonacci retracement area. So the next area where this market is aiming at now is this 100% retracement area that happens to be 14 era. So if you're able to break out of this 100% retracement area, that's when you'll be looking at extension level, this extension level of 20 to 22 naira. That is if we are able to break this extension level, or the market, if you are able to break this 100% retracement level, because the market always tends to retrace from this 100% retracement level. But currently we are right here at 50 Fibonacci retracement area. So if you are buying at this 50% Fibonacci retracement area, you want to take out your profit at a 100% retracement area of 14 era. All right, so yeah, this is pretty much what is happening on this share market. And if you want to stay updated on this currency pair analysis, don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment on the share price that you want me to talk about, and I will talk about it in my next video.